Good morning children. How are you all? I hope all are fine in home and be safe in home. Dear children, welcome to all for literature in English class. So as you know, already we have learned the lesson, the magic graph. So today that lesson is going to continue. So you have to listen it carefully. So first I will read. So when I am reading, you can keep your fingers on the line and just you listen it. It is possible means you can read yourself when I am reading time. Okay children, now I am going to start. The husband heard her through, though he did not think all that fuss over a mere rap was quite unnecessary. Soon after his wife had left, black thunder clouds gathered in the sky and it began to rain. The man got worried. He called out to his wife as loud as he could. But the thunder was louder. It completely drowned out his voice. His wife was hurrying home just then, but the path was uphill and she could not walk fast enough. Soon the rain turned to hail. Now the man got really alarmed. Unless he did not something about it quickly, the rap would be mind forgetting all about the warning. He rushed out and grabbed the rap to think it away indoors. But oh horrors! The moment he touched the rap, he felt himself change. In a flash, he had turned into a large and beautiful male bird, while the rap turned into his feathers and tail. Then his wife came rushing in. With a cry, she caught hold of the one end of the rap that remained and tried to snatch it away from her husband. But the moment he touched it, it turned into a female bird. So these two became the peacock and peon. The man had caught a much larger portion of the magic graph, and that is exactly why the peacock's feathers are far more brightly colored than those of the peon, and he has such a gregarious tail. The peacock and peon flew out of the house. They went to live among the other birds. Now in the forest, looking for grain and tender green shoots to eat. The peacock remains out most beautiful bird, but he is always worried about his feathers. When storm clouds gather in the sky and the thunder rumbles in the air, the peacock bursts into loud cries. People believe he does this because he is afraid that rain might spoil the gregarious colors. So dear children, this is the lesson. Now I am going to summarize. You can listen it carefully. So in the last class I have completed till even if rainfalls or torrents or hailstones come down as big as grapes. So when the rain started, so in the rainfalls, all the hailstones come to into a big of, it's like a big races. Till there I have completed. Now I am going to continue. The husband heard her thoughts through, though he did not think all the fuss over a mere. So she already the wife told, so you have to care about trap. So when the rain comes, you should careful. But he forgot everything. Though he did not think all that was over. So what she has told, everything he forgot. Over a mere rap was quite unnecessary. Soon after his wife had left, when the wife went, so black thunder clouds gathered in the sky. So black thunderstorms means it's coming like rain. It started automatically. Then after that, it began to rain. The man got worried. So he got about text about that magic crab. He called out to his wife and loud as he could, but the thunder was louder. So what happened when the rain started? His wife told, just you have to call when the rain comes or something happened. So he got worried when the rain started. Suddenly he called his wife in a loud voice, but it could not reach because so it's loudly started thundering. It completely drowned out his wife. So when he started to call continuously, his voice are not good. Completely it's closed. His wife was hurrying home just then, but the path was uphill and she could not walk fast enough. So when she started to come about, she's hurrying. Oh, rain started. I have to take the magic crab. So she's hurrying and coming from the home. So when she's coming to hill, she could not walk fast enough because rain is coming, so she can't climb. The water fell down, the hill was full wet, so she did not reach the place fastly. Soon the rain turned to hail. Now the man got really alarmed. So when again rain started, so he got alert. So oh, now again rain comes. Before that I have to be alert. So what he did, he really alarmed. Unless he did not something about this quite quickly, the wrap would be ruined. So when the rain comes, everything is ruined. Forgetting all about the warning, he rushed out and grabbed the wrap to whisk it away indoors. So he told, wife told, you should not touch. If anybody comes also, you should not give touch. So if they are touching, before that you have to do the spell. So she gave instructions and she gave warning and went, but everything he forgot. When the rain first time came and stopped, before coming second time, he forgot everything, what are the warning she has given. So he went to take the magic crab. But oh horrors, the moment he touched the crab, so when the rain started, he went to take the magic crab. When he went to touch, he felt himself change. When he went and changed himself, is our body change. If when people are doing magic in the schools or anywhere, they will come and do magic crab, same like this. When he touched that magic crab, suddenly himself changed. In a flash, he had turned into a large and beautiful male bird. So when it's suddenly changed, he became like a beautiful peacock, male peacock. While the brightly colored wrap into his feathers, so it is full of color. So suddenly he became, it's like a peacock, male bird. Just then his wife came rushing in. So wife started to running. With a cry, she caught hold of the one end of the wrap that remained and tried to snatch. So when she started to run, suddenly she is crying because she cannot run and come fast. So end of the wrap that remained. So what happened when she saw it's remaining there only, nobody is touched. So try to snatch it away from her husband. So can I tell my husband to take that? So she's running and coming. But the moment she touched it, she turned into a female bird. So when already husband touched, she went to take. But when she's searching his husband is not there. So she also went and touched the half of the end of that magic crab. When she touched, she became a female bird, female peacock. So suddenly she became. These two became the peacock and peon. So when she changed that, suddenly they became peacock and peon. The man had caught much larger portion of the magic craft. So when he became when he became the male peacock, so she also, when she came to take that magic craft, she also touched. Suddenly she also became a female bird. And the two became the peacock and peon. Both became a peacock. Peacock we are calling for male, and for female we are calling peon. The man had caught a much larger portion of the magic craft, and that is exactly why the peacock feathers are. So when he touched that magic craft, he became a peacock, no? So that is came full of the portion of the magic craft. Really, that is exactly why the peacock feathers are far more brightly. So when he touched, it became full. So that became a full brightly colored than those of the peon. So when he touched, it became like this, full of the magic craft. So peon, he has such a gregarious tail. So when he became, so that like this, full is the magic craft, it became. The peacock and peon flew out of the house. So both are started to fly out of the house. They went to live among the other birds. So they went near to the forest to be like a birds and to live with other birds. Now in the fields looking for grain and tender green shoots to eat. So when they saw to eat some things, so when they saw grain and tender green shoots to eat. The peacock remains our most beautiful bird. Yes, no? The peacock is a beautiful bird. So this also is remaining as like a beautiful bird. But he is always worried about his feathers. So the peacock is worried about feathers, no? Because feathers is too big. He cannot go too fastly. He can walk slowly only. That's why peacock worried about his feathers. When storm clouds gather in the sky and the thunder rumbles in the air, the peacock burst into loud cries. So when the rain started in the sky, clouds gather in the sky and the thunder rumbles in the air, the peacock burst into cloud cries. So when it started, suddenly he started to cry. People believe he does this because he is afraid that rain might spoil the gregarious color. So when the peacock worried about his feathers, that time suddenly clouds gather in the sky and the thunder means coming rain, he worried about that. Then peacock started to cry. The people believe he does this because he is afraid about rain might spoil the gregarious colors. So people are telling about peacock, they are talking. If the rain comes, what peacock will do? If the rain comes, all the gregarious colors will go. Then what will happen next? So he is afraid about rain. So this is the story of the magic craft. So in this lesson, the girl and his husband, they became like when they touched the magic craft, boy became a male peacock and girl became a female peon. So this is the story of the magic craft. I hope everybody understood this. If you have any doubt, we can discuss in next class. Thank you, children.